You're watching Throttle House. I'm Thomas.
And I'm James.
And this is a drag race. This is muscle versus tuner, except the tuner isn't tuned, it's just the new Nissan Z, which we found out didn't feel too at home on the racing circuit. But it is quite quick in a straight line, and it's going to have to be if it has any plans to take down a Mustang and a Challenger Scatpack.
All three cars have 400 horsepower or more. They're all manual, and they all power the rear wheels only. Let's do this.
Okay, the Challenger. This has the most horsepower. It's also the heaviest. Okay, it's also difficult to launch on a surface like this. I've got the suspension in sport, not track, for a little bit of weight transfer, and I'm not using the launch control because I've tested both, and this is actually faster. Me just doing it manually with the traction control off, I'm getting pretty good launches. But what I'm worried about is that the Mustang in the top end is very, very quick. I've seen it go. So hopefully I can beat him by the end. And there's a Z in this race, I'm not sure why.
Okay, I'm in the Z. 400 horsepower at my toey tips, which puts me as the least powerful car here. But for the same price, you can get these two. So, all's fair in love and war in America, and muscle and tuner. I have no lift shift, so I have the advantage of not being able to take my foot off the throttle the whole time. So that should give me a leg up. I have a feeling that in the launch I might take them because I'm lighter, but I think they're going to be closely matched and destroy me after the fact. Huge thank you to Downsview Auto Group for the Mustang and to Car Hub North York Chrysler for the Challenger. On such short notice, they pulled through and brought these cars out just to make this video happen. So thank you. And I'm off first. And the Challenger shooting ahead.
Neck and neck with the Mustang.
Foots to the floor. Wow, the two of them are neck and neck.
Come on. Oh, he's got me in the top end, straight up.
I'm not far behind.
What the hell?
That was close, you know? That was very close. Oh, God. Oh, this isn't happy braking. Didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. I wasn't even braking that hard.
Damn. I had a good launch. Honestly, that was a really, really good run on this surface for this car.
Hey.
Oh, right, yeah, you're,
Mate, I was right behind you.
Were you?
Right on your big fat tail.
Yeah, I know.
No aircon is hard.
It's really hard. I'm hot right now, yeah.
This thing does not like braking at high speed.
Or
going.
Or turning.
Yeah. It's fine on the road, but that performance test,
Yeah.
it's not happy.
No. So, like, me and the Mustang.
Me and the Mustang.
Me and that guy.
Thomas's autobiography.
Yeah. We were neck and neck off the start.
Yeah.
I was kind of watching the corner of my eye. We shifted at the same time. And then once we got into, like, the final gear, he just walked me.
It's quick, that. It's quick, that Mustang.
It is quick.
It's always beaten what we thought.
Really, really quick.
Should we try it? I got the advantage on the launch there, so I'm hesitant to say let's try a roll because...
Let's try a roll anyway.
That's the best chance I'm going to have.
Yeah.
Okay. Roll in race.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I'm first off.
Come on. What?
Oh, I'm doing better this time.
What?
is all over the place. It really isn't confidence inspiring, 170, 180 kilometers an hour. Didn't like that.
Track mode.
Hey.
There isn't a red key and a black key for the Scatpack, is there?
No. It just doesn't feel safe.
No.
I didn't like that.
But it's reasonably quick, though.
It's quick.
It's quick.
I said this in the original review. You know, people say, oh, it's slower than the Supra, they failed. I mean, wait, when the manual Supra comes, we've got to put them together. But I really do think that this is as quick
It's got speed going for it. It does.
It doesn't need to be any quicker.
No.
It's very quick.
No, it just needs you to do all the other stuff.
Yeah. So Thomas,
Yes.
to the Mopar audience
Yes.
that want your neck,
Yep.
what do you have to say for yourself?
Get a Mustang.
No, that's bad.
They're not going to like that,
No.
are they?
We like this car.
I really like this car.
Yeah.
It's great, honestly. But like, I don't know what to tell you. My foot was all the way down.
Yeah.
There was no slippage. I shifted quickly. That's what happened.
Right.
Okay. Is what it is.
Karston's Focus.
If Karston's Focus won
Wins
him
the
all
day.
his races. That's all it was. The Mustang's not actually quicker. It's just Karston. His insane focus. I'm gonna go have a shower now because no air conditioned drag racing in the summertime, not fun.
True.
Okay,
True.
goodbye. So, once again, in a straight line, muscle prevails. And since power to weight ratio is a thing, the Mustang, despite losing 10 horsepower for the 2022 model year, takes the overall win.
In the roll, the Z proved that with its 800-pound weight saving over the Pack, it was able to best the Challenger. In the dig race though, despite a good initial launch and multiple runs, the Z didn't have the get up and go that it should. Perhaps it was gearing, perhaps it was tyres, or maybe it was due to some of the strange software quirks that our friend Jason Camisa mentioned on the Carmudgeon show. However, the races were close, and that new Z ain't slow. But there's something to be said for the Mustang GT being the cheapest here, and yet still being the victor. And there's an entirely new generation of Mustang right around the corner. Thanks for watching.